Hey everyone, this is me Salman again with the dynamic retargeting topic. First, let me show you some retargeting ads that I am running right now and how much they are cost cutting. Hold on, let me show you. So here I am. Can you imagine 2.11 add to cart from United States? Well, Instagram has a big number. Right column. I'm going to show you how you can do that, and you can even see 1.62 add to cart 5. Wow, that's amazing. This much impressions. Can you imagine? CPM is like 1.24 from United States. I'm sure you are not going to believe this thing. Hold on, let me show you. 1.24 CPM. So the purchase is high from my right column, but I'm going to but this thing is good as the perspective of branding. So how you can create that, I'm going to show you my way, the easy way of creating dynamic retargeting. If someone is leaving your website, then how you can come up with some discounts, something like that, without making any custom audience and each and everything regarding that. It's really easy. So here I am. Let me go to the business manager that I had created for you guys. Hold on, let me move it to there. So I'm now here in the business manager that I had created for you. What I'm going to do is just go to the top left. There I find catalogs. It is under assets. Just hit catalogs. Create catalog, e-commerce, specify the business manager, catalog products. I'm going to name it for the love of community. Create. Okay. Now I have my product catalog, but but there are not any products in that. Well, I'm going to upload it. How you can upload the products? Well, I'm going to show you. There is an app that you need to install in your store, and it is a free app, Product Feed by Flexify. Well, I'm going to share the link with you people. This is the app that you need to have in your Shopify store, Shopify admin. Well, I have this app. So what are you going to do is specify the collection that you want to create the product feed and hit save from the right or from the left top of your Shopify admin. Then just copy this URL. Okay, I just copied it. So what is my next step? I just come to the products. Here I have many for the love of community. This is the catalog that I had created for you. I'm just going to open that. I just opened it. Here is the option dynamic ads. Just click it. Add your products. Click it. Upload multiple products on a schedule. Just hit next. Give the feed URL right here. It will ask you how you want to schedule these things up. Like if you are adding products on the daily basis, you want to have the active feed, the updated feed on daily basis. Just name your file. Well, it is going fine. Like at the end, it is date. Start upload. So it is uploading. You have to wait for a little. It's uploaded, and now what I'm going to do is just click view products, and here I have all the products. Okay. So now what would be our next step? I had just have to go to the ads manager. So we are here. Just click create from the campaigns tab, and what you are going to do is catalog sales. Just click it. It will ask you for the relevant catalog. Hold on, it is showing. As I had created for the love of community and I have only one catalog, so we are here. You have each and everything regarding this, like you have an active pixel installed on your website. You you are getting visitors, as I told you that how you can target people. So now we are retargeting them. Here are few options that you can select: view or added to cart but not purchased. I'm going to retarget them. You can also specify the days. For example, I can specify it like 60 days. You can also run an ad for the people who just added to cart and not purchased. As here you can see, I have an this one with less amount of purchases. I'm going to retarget them again. Upsell product, promote all products to people who viewed the below ad set. Like for example, if you are running a low ticket item, you can also retarget the people with some upsell product, cross sell product. You can retarget people who purchase from your relevant product set. Custom combination. Here you can add, include or exclude. This is the most advanced level option. First, I want you to do this: view or add it to cart but not purchased. Here we have the placement thing. What I was doing is I'm separating each and every placement separately and monitoring them really carefully. For example, here are the all the options that I was seeing. For example, I was retargeting people from desktop in their feed. I was retargeting people on Instagram. Audience network is good for retargeting thing as well. You can also try this thing. Now the budget thing. It is asking like $100. Now the segregation of budget over here is really important. First thing that you should keep in your mind, you should know your visitors. Like for example, if you are getting 100 visitors from United States and you are getting normal reach of maybe 500 people by spending $5, then you can retarget people like maybe on $2, maybe $3. Well, this is for everyone who is running Facebook ads or getting traffic on their store. Like if you are getting 200 visitors on daily basis, you can set the budget to like $5 maybe. So this is my technique for the budget thing, and I get sales from this. So don't lose hope if you are getting visitors and they are not converting. Do retarget your visitors. Here we have the optimization for ad delivery. I recommend conversions. 7-day click. Event type. I recommend this is the new feature that Facebook had introduced previously about like 6 months back. You can select your event. What do you want from them? Like I want you people to test these three: view content, add to cart, or purchase. Continue. Sorry, let me explain a bit more here. Create a few ad sets on the basis of placement, then segregate them on the basis of view content, add to cart, and purchase. So here we have, you can also customize your headline. For example, the product name is mentioned right here. You can give it only for you. Whatsoever you want to put in the heading. Or you can also put it like the same thing that I was asking. 100% customer satisfaction, or you can say get 5 star, got 5 star reviews on this, and you can just put the stars right here. Or if you want to put the price, you can also do this. Everything is your call. Everything is totally dependent on you. Like you can create or go with all these things. The CTA recommended is shop now. If you are targeting more than one language, then you can also use this option, as I had told you earlier that how you can do that. So this is how you can set up your remarketing campaigns. And I know it's not that much difficult. Anyone can do that and can get really good amount of sales, add to cart, and it would be really good for your brand. My recommendation is, if you run this, you are going to get a lot. So don't waste your time. If you are getting even 50 visitors on your website, do run dynamic retargeting. Okay, goodbye for now and wait for my next lesson. I'm sure you are going to find some extra value out of that, as it is of advanced level. So take care for now. Goodbye.